Spanish chickpea soup, or portaje de garbanzo, is a delicious, high-protein soup packed with flavour and an ideal, healthy meal that the whole family will love. Keep watching and I'll show you exactly how to make it. So the first thing you want to do is to peel and chop some potato and carrot. I'm using, I don't even know what kind of potatoes these are, just in a box in the cupboard, so just use whatever. Same with the carrots, chop them up reasonably small. Now if you're going to serve this soup whole without blending it, then you want to cut it quite small, but I'm going to blend all of this at the end, so I'm just like roughly chopping everything. Then again, pepper, onions and so on, and then the absolute flavour bomb that is chorizo. We're using 150 grams. You can use the spicy kind if you like, totally up to you. But here's a nifty wee trick if you're frying chorizo. Add it to a cold pan and then bring the heat up that way. That means you don't need to use any oil, because if you do it slowly, the fat will come out of the chorizo and that will help cook everything in this delicious, flavoursome oil. It's so yummy. Then you want to add in your garlic and fry that for a further 30 seconds or so before tipping the whole lot into the slow cooker. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people will get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. Now if you're not using the slow cooker to do this, you would just fry off those veggies and chorizo in just a normal soup pan, and then add everything. But cooking soups in the slow cooker is my new favourite way of doing it, because you don't need to stand over the stove, just stirring it every now and again. You just bung everything in, pop the lid on it, and then come back, and that is your soup ready. For those chickpeas that you just saw me add, make sure that you rinse them first, so you can again open the tin, rinse them, and then pour them in. Otherwise they're going to have just this sort of goopy starchiness that you don't want. Then pop the lid on it and give it about 3 hours on high, and then like I said, you can serve it whole without blending it. It's really nice that way. I like to blend it into a nice smooth consistency, so I give it a quick blitz with the hand blender, and then look, this looks absolutely delicious. Plate it up, garnish with some parsley and pepper, and get stuck in. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like the full recipe, you can get it along with 300 others in my high protein recipes app. The link you'll find in the description. See ya!